External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar today said commitment to multilateralism must remain strong and the United Nations must be supported. Speaking at the release of a commemorative poster stamp in New Delhi on 80 years of the United Nations, the minister reiterated India's commitment to the ideals of peace and security as well as development and progress. He stressed that India has always been and will continue to be a strong votarie of the UN as well as of multilateralism. Dr. S. Jaishankar, however, pointed out that all is not well with the UN at its decision-making, which neither reflects its membership nor addresses global priorities. He stated that its debate have become increasingly polarized. He stated that any meaningful reform is obstructed using its reform process itself, and financial constraints have also emerged as an additional concern. He also highlighted that the UN's response to terrorism is a telling example of the challenges being faced by the UN. Bureau Report News Now.